Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Friday. Let's continue with football. With the Reggae Girlz squad now selected for this summer's World Cup, it's now time to put everyone on the same page going forward. According to JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung, they're working to bring unity ahead of the global showpiece.
For the JFF to bring unity among players, staff and administrators, there are several pieces that need to be put together. An initial Zoom meeting which went wrong still remains high on the agenda, even though not much has been said about it. In that meeting, JFF chairperson for women's football Elaine Walker-Brown was heard talking with another JFF board member about the role of Reggae Girlz ambassador Sidella Marley.
We were having a conversation, myself and two other persons. We were on a Zoom call, and the phone opened, and we were talking. That's why I wanted, because we don't know what she heard. We were talking, didn't know that the thing was open, and I asked, what did I say? Because I was talking, honestly talking. So if you hear something and you feel like you've been disrespectful, respected, say what you heard, and I would address it.
And you didn't say anything disrespectful?
No, I did not say anything disrespectful. We were talking what was happening on the meeting. It was related to what was happening on the meeting.
It is understood that Marley felt disrespected about the comments which she says were directed at the Bob and Rita Marley Foundation. But according to JFF General Secretary Dennis Chung, the matter is still being dealt with internally.
But don't assume that the president has not been addressing that issue. Don't assume that.
By apologizing to Sidella?
No, I know he would have apologized on behalf of the JFF in that same meeting, right? But I'm saying do not assume that he is also not dealing with it in a further way.
Dominating the news last week was an embarrassing moment for Walker-Brown after being told she couldn't travel on the bus with the Reggae Girlz on an excursion. However, a source close to the situation told TVJ Sports that the bus ride is being used to mask the real issues facing the national team. According to the source, the Reggae Girlz ambassador Sidella Marley is not at all focusing on this distraction, but is reportedly getting restless at the constant disrespect to the players and coaching staff. The source further stated that if the necessary arrangements are not put in place ahead of the trip to Australia, that is when the ambassador may be heard from, not on this distraction. The recent camp in the UK left the JFF owing Leicester City almost £50,000, which TVJ Sports understands was paid this week by the Bob Marley Foundation.
I can't tell you that. I mean, Brian, where you want me to discuss those internal matters, sir?
No, I was told that it was paid by Sidella Marley.
Well, then whoever tell you that, make them confirm it for you.
The JFF has since said they will pay back the Bob Marley Foundation 50% of that cost. Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.